I got my beautiful baby here. And I also have my whoopie.
Knife collection. And so these are meat choppers, meat cutters.
Yeah. And I got this one here.
Wow, I want to get a nice angle of that one.
That's right.
Nice. No, those look real mean. Those look real mean.
I love them. When I go down to the workplace and when I volunteer cooking, I'm not gonna say their name. I'm not gonna say their name. I'm not gonna do it. And then I got this bad baby here. Oh yeah. I can't show the name because I ain't trying to mess nothing up. And I like this little cutie right here.
Mm-hmm. Oh yeah. Do you cut into the ribs at all?
I'm gonna show you. I'm actually gonna be making a cut for them to be.
Oh man, I can't listen to that. Ooh. Sharpen that one up. Good
What
deal.
I'm doing, I'm looking for the bone in between. See how they got different bones and some be in the middle of it?
Mm-hmm.
Now what I'm trying to do is cut this evenly, but by this is cut in a slant. You see this? Look. So I'm gonna have to cut this in a way to where it's gonna be, I can split the meat. So I gotta make sure there's no bone in the middle of that. So it's bone, bone, bone. And all this right here. I don't like a lot of fat on mine. So, but I also don't like to take a lot off either. And like I said, this is beef. It's gonna get greasy in this bitch. So, ooh. Cutting that off because I like for my rub to be on my meat, not on the fat. Because I don't. You know what? And I'm gonna say this since we doing this. You know, I hate the fat on the meat. I don't like that. I don't like nothing filling in my mouth, gelatin and anything, and I don't want no crispy fat on mine. I want the meat. Now, some of y'all might say, he cutting that wrong, he doing this. I didn't say I was a professional butcher now. Okay.
Do you save the fat for anything? Or?
I just, well, when I'm grilling, I save it and just throw it in the charcoal.
Okay. And he's got some pit bulls.
Yes, they're my babies. See?
Nice sharp cut, bro.
See, it's a bone right here, then it can be another bone that's off, and it can make it feel crazy, but it ain't one in here right now. Ooh. I've been doing good. It's just that my weakness now is the nutty bars and powdered donuts. I'm trying to shake from that. This shit is so damn good. It's prime. And the reason why I'm pressing down so hard because these are 2 burrito shells, so it can be a hold all this. So instead of me going making 2 burritos, just put it all in one, and I'm straight. This is so fucking good.
Ho ho ho!